Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And you're ruining
it. Well, you don't even tell me what I'm gonna say.
In today's video, we are going to be doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. I have my niece Jasmine here. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're gonna be blindfolded. So this is gonna be a two-part video. In this first part, I'm gonna be blindfolded doing her makeup, and then in our next video, she's going to be blindfolded doing my makeup. So if you want to see what kind of makeup I do on her face, just keep watching.
My voice cracked.
You said something?
I said hi.
Do you want to redo it again?
Nah.
No, we can do it again.
You're ruining my dreams.
Okay.
My lovely niece.
You're not lovely. Put your hair back.
That's how I look like a man.
You. Well, this is a boring video because you're not talking. Okay, if I know this palette, wait, let me find your eyes first. I think this one is the, okay, I'm gonna go with this one. This one, I feel like it's not shimmery. Okay, where's your eye?
Ma'am.
Okay, so we're going to be blending out this eyeshadow like this. Make sure you don't poke los ojitos out.
Yeah, this looks like I have that big of an eye.
Shut up, I can't see. You're going to want to try this look for when you meet your suegra for the first time, because you're not going to look snatched, honey. Am I even getting it right?
I guess.
Okay, so I hope this is a white color.
Ma'am, that's my forehead.
Close your eye. I'll let you know. I can't miss that. So we're going to be blending this color out because we want your suegra to know that you know how to blend and you know how to flip tortillas.
Do you know?
Of course. You're going to want to flip those tortillas con tus manitas, not with a fork or with unas pinzas, to show her like you can take care of her hijo. Next color we're going to use the same brush because we got to recycle. Save the turtles.
That's not plastic.
We're recycling. Is that my phone?
That's my phone. No one's important, Chloe. I don't even have friends.
Okay, so I'm going to take this orange shade right here.
I can't tell you.
I know you can't tell me, but I'm just saying I think it's orange. Okay, so we're going to be blending that color still in. So when you meet your suegra for the first time, here's the do's and don'ts. Don't tell him que es un huevón. That's a don't. Do tell him que es bien trabajador.
And if he's not?
You lie. Because you're meeting your suegra. No le vas a decir all of his defectos.
That's not a defecto.
Un defecto que es huevón. Ladies, if your husband does not husband, if your man...
That's my...
Oh, sorry. If you're meeting your suegra for the first time and her son does not work, is lazy, you're not going to tell her, ma'am, your son is a lazy piece of... You're not going to tell her that, are you?
But some suegras, they're going to tell him to work, and some are going to want to defend them. What else?
Next tip, when you meet your suegra, tell her that her frijoles are bomb, even if they don't have sabor. Just add some salt on them.
You're salty. Next tip.
Where was I?
Oh, frijoles.
Oh yeah, if they don't have sabor, put salt in them. Y si te dice, mija, why are you putting so much salt in them? Just say, oh, suegrita, es que estoy muy salada. If he has sisters, oh girl, I'm sorry.
Why?
They could be living that chisme life, so they probably like
their mom what the girl does,
or they're like into his. Oops. Shut up, Jazz.
Would you wait? Or if...
Okay, I think I'm done blending. Now I'm going to take another brush and put this color all over the lid. Hopefully it's the color that I hopefully think it is. Okay, so the color that I just picked out right here, I want to say it's like a dark vampy plum color, or it's an orange, a burnt orange color. I'm going to put that all over the lid.
Are you trying to take my eyeball out? Next tip.
What have I said? Oh, yeah. So if he has sisters, be careful because sometimes those sisters are very nosy. Some of them, not all of them, but they nosy. Oh, hold on. I'm also going to take the color that I used all over her lid and put it underneath her lash line. You got to help me out a little bit. Am I getting underneath your eye? I hope so.
Right here.
Okay.
Ah, that's in my eye.
I'm sorry. Well, close your eye.
They were closed. You put it all the way in my eye.
Sorry. Okay, next thing I'm going to be working on is eyeliner. Oh, that's eyeliner.
Can I tell you?
No, you can't tell me.
Okay.
This is eyeliner. If I can't find the one that I want, we'll use this one. Oh, aquí está, my eyeliner. You think I'm cheating?
No.
Why? What makes you think I'm not cheating? What if I am?
Yeah.
Can't you tell I'm doing an amazing job on your eyes? Wait, this isn't your eyes. Oops. Okay, close your eye because I'm afraid I'm gonna... Okay, you want this wing super sharp, so like when you threaten him and tell him, hey, you better not cheat on me, so he'll be scared. So that's why we need to make this wing super sharp. All right, so now we're gonna go on to the other eye.
What kind of eyeliner is this?
It's Wet n Wild.
No, the like look of the eyeliner.
Oh, we're doing like a cat eye, but we want it super sharp. Ew, what was that?
I don't know.
Get
That was my
closer! Ew! Get closer!
I am.
Okay, guys, we're going to be moving on to eyebrows. We don't want to look too surprised when he proposes to you. So,
Why?
What do you mean? We don't want to look too surprised because, like, if they look too surprised, it like
They play.
No,
Oh.
no, like we don't want our eyebrows to look too surprised because what happens when he like doesn't propose to you? Your eyebrows are gonna be like, oh. What happens if like you guys are on a date and you're like, oh, you think he's gonna propose and you're like getting excited? He pulls out a box, y nomás son earrings. Oh, I'd be mad. Se los aviento. Do you have any questions? Relationship advice?
No.
Not even love?
No, that's boring.
Well, you're lame. Was it even? Oh my gosh, it's not even. Hi. It wasn't even doing anything. I'm like doing strokes for nothing.
Oh, I don't cut that out.
Ma'am, why are you always on your phone?
I want to get a reply back to the people that I texted.
Oh my God. Pick it up. I can't see. What do you do when... Why are you laughing?
Because the pencil broke.
Oh my God.
There's a lot of questions to ask me.
No, there isn't.
Yes.
Like what?
I'm not that boring. Isn't this a suegra video? I have a lot.
You have a lot of questions about suegras?
Well, I don't have questions, but I can answer them.
Okay, what are one of the what would you like to say about suegras?
Some can be mean. Or some can like you like their own daughter. Ma'am, are you listening?
I'm listening. Okay, so like mijitas, if you guys are out there and you have a suegra, don't tell me it freaking broke again.
Yes.
Ay, qué coraje. You're gonna buy me a new...
Oh, what were you gonna say?
I forgot. It broke again. That's it. I'm done with your eyebrows. This is all that I have left. Mira.
Ma'am, you have an Ulta gift card.
I finished it. Okay. Foundation time. Okay, this is the foundation that we're gonna be using. Okay, mijas. So if this is the makeup you're gonna use when you meet your suegra for the first time, make sure you blend to the neck.
You don't know.
You're not gonna meet your suegra right now. Make sure you blend all the way down to your neck because your suegra is gonna be like, oh, mijo, tu novia ni se sabe cómo hacer el maquillaje. She doesn't even know how to blend.
How did you meet your suegra for the first time? How did it start? Were you nervous?
Yes. Yeah, I met his parents. I was really nervous because I was afraid that they weren't gonna like me, but I also wanted to look really pretty. That's why I did my maquillaje really like. I took 3 hours instead of my usual 5. When I met them, they were they were nice. They didn't ask too many questions like Mexican families do. When you meet your suegra for the first time and they're Mexican, they're gonna be asking you like a lot of questions. But since he's white, his family didn't really ask me anything. What's your name?
Ma'am, didn't you just do my eyeshadow?
Oh, did I get your eye? Oops. Sorry.
But how did you start talking? Like you went inside the house?
Okay, so we got to his house and they greeted me at the door. They were like, hi. And I'm not a hugger. And his mom went to hug me and I was like, hi, señora, why are you hugging me?
I'm a hugger.
I'm not a hugger. I don't like it when people hug me, especially if I don't know them. But yeah, we just had dinner and we were talking. I think we just talked about like, oh, how did you guys meet? Do you have any siblings? They weren't nosy, which is what I've noticed like with white families. Like at first they're not nosy because with Mexican families, they ask so many questions. So many. My sisters and my mom are very nosy, so they want to know like every single thing. Like, where are your parents from? How did they meet? Stuff like that. Gotta blend back here too with your ears. Concealer, ma'am.
I like it when they hug me because I feel like they like me. Like if they hug you, like I feel like they like me, or else they would like just handshake.
I like it when they call you mija, like your future suegra, like when
You're never gonna get that.
Don't you like it when they call you mija? Like you're just like, thank you. Now we're gonna grab some.
No need to be aggressive.
Well, because I can't find it.
But what are you looking for, ma'am?
I'm looking for powder. I'm gonna put this all over because we're sweaty. And I know when you're gonna meet your suegra for the first time, you're gonna sweat a lot, especially because you don't know what kind of suegra you're gonna get. You can get those really nice ones que no te dicen nada, but you can also get those really mean ones. Like I'm 100% sure my sister's not gonna see this. So if you get, because she's a fake fan, my sister, both of them, I don't know if I would like to have either one of them as a suegra because one of them is ask a lot of questions and she's really nosy, her mom. And then my other sister, she's she can be mean. I feel like my mom's a good suegra to my significant.
Very judgy.
No, my mom's a good suegra to my significant other because they can't communicate. My mom doesn't know how to speak English, so that's like, and my significant other doesn't know how to speak Spanish, so they can't, yeah, she can't talk to him. We're gonna contour next so we can look like mija, you haven't eaten in days. Here, let me serve you some food.
Those happened to me last time.
Lies.
Well, my face didn't look like that, but I didn't want to eat because I wasn't hungry.
What do you do when you like a boy?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
I just smile.
Do you like anybody right now?
The one that I always talk about for like 3 years already.
We're gonna be moving on to lips. No, let's do lashes. Or should I just do mascara? Let's just do mascara. If we contoured your nose, we'd be here all day. I have mascara. You don't want me to poke you in the face with this. We're going to do a little bit of mascara because we don't want your suegra to think you're high maintenance.
What do you mean high maintenance?
Like, we don't want her to think like, oh, you're into that bougie life. What kind of guys do you like?
You answer that question.
What do you mean?
So I can have like an idea like of how.
Okay, the kind of guys that I used to like, I liked them really tall, really skinny, almost to look like they're dying. I kind of liked like emo, like I hate my life kind of guys.
I like guys
Can you hand me my drink?
Who are tall, not too skinny, but also not skinny, like regular, and
Do you like muscular guys or no?
Yeah.
Ew.
Well, not like too much. Oh, a good personality, and they like to have fun, not boring. Well, what if he's good looking and funny? Then I have a plus.
Lies!
Pick a number out of 6.
Out of 6? 6.
Pick a number out of 8.
Out of 8? 2.
Oh, not a dumb one. He has to know some things. He has to have a perspective of what he wants to be in the future.
Oh, a go-getter. If you
need
can't
to sharpen that. That hurts.
Well, we're done lining. Have you ever had a boyfriend? You have?
Mm-hmm.
How long did it last? We're gonna overline the lips a little bit, as you can tell.
The longest one.
How many boyfriends have you had?
2.
2?
Well, no, 4, but I only liked 1.
So you've had 4 boyfriends. And did you kiss all of them?
Only 1.
Like, how did they become your boyfriend? Okay, go like this. Okay, now we're gonna highlight.
Story time. I saw that 2 of my friends were following him and that he went to my cousin's school. So I texted him, like, do you know my cousin? And he's like, what's her name? And I told him her name. And he said yes. And then we just started talking. I was like, how do you look like? And he sent me a picture. And then, like, he was really mean. And then...
He was mean to you?
He would just leave me on scene. That's mean. And then he would block me and he would unblock me and then he would block me and then he would unblock me. Then barely in 2019 was when he took me serious. Ma'am, are you listening?
I'm listening.
What, you seem bored.
So he was mean to you first. Why? We're doing highlight.
Ever since I started doing my makeup, that's when he started taking me seriously.
Okay, I think we're done.
Ma'am, you didn't even let me finish my story.
Okay, continue telling your story.
Well, that was it. Ma'am, ignored.
Before I blindfold myself,
I was still talking about my story.
I put red lipstick on you, didn't I? Yes, that's the Kylie Jenner lipstick.
And you put it in my teeth, too. Wait. How did... Out of 1 out of 10, how do you think you did with
1 out of 10?
No, 1 out of 5.
1 out of 5? 1 being the worst and 5 being the best?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I messed up on the lips and I messed up on the eyeliner and the brows. I think the eyeshadow I did okay. I want to say a 2.
It's not even in the numbers.
Oh.
No, he's not even gonna text me. -99.
Alright guys, so here you have my blindfolded makeup results. I think I did pretty good. If you're gonna be a clown.
I've been a clown all year.
Do not
do this look to go see your suegra.
Yeah, don't do this look to see your suegra. Maybe when she does my makeup, that'll be a look worthy enough to meet your suegra for the first time. But it's not. Don't do it. Alright guys, so this is my completed look of my blindfold makeup challenge. Stay tuned for part 2 where she is blindfolded and does my makeup. And then you guys will let us know who did a better job. She thinks she's gonna do better than me. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.